Karina, please give me this water. Thank you so much.
You need something?
No, I'm fine. You can go.
Okay, thank you.
Karina! Karina! Oh my God. Karina!
What do you want, madam?
Please, Karina, I've been calling you since. Why did you take so long to answer me?
I was downstairs. I was busy. I'm cleaning the...
It's okay. Give me water, please. I want to drink water.
Oh my God.
Karina! Karina! Oh my God, where is this girl? Karina! Karina!
Yes, madam. Siya, tawag ng tawag. Yes, na. What, madam?
I've been calling you. Why did you? I called you more than 3 times.
Oh my God, madam. I was very busy in the kitchen. Why you keep on calling my name?
Give me water. I'm very thirsty. Please give me water. I need to drink water.
Oh my God, you can take from your hand, madam.
Give me water. I want to drink. You're already here.
But this water is only here in the floor. You can take by this like this. Why? Oh my God.
Karina, give me the water. You're here.
Madam, you can take by yourself. It's very close to you.
It's okay. You can go. Just go. Just go.
What happened? Oh my God. Madam, can I have my salary today?
Oh, your salary. Karina, I forgot to bring money today from the bank. I will give you tomorrow, okay?
Okay, madam. You need anything?
No, I'm fine. I'm fine. Thank you so much.
Okay. Madam, can I have my salary?
Oh, Karina, I don't have money today.
But it's already late one day.
I will give you tomorrow, please. I don't have money. Oh my God, I forgot. I'm so sorry. I'll give you tomorrow, okay?
Okay. Madam, where is my salary?
Oh, Karina, I forgot. I'll pay you tomorrow, okay?
Tomorrow, it's already late. You said tomorrow, tomorrow, tomorrow. I need it.
I will give you tomorrow. I don't have it now. I will give you tomorrow, Karina.
But madam, I need now because my family is waiting. I need to send to the Philippines.
Tell them tomorrow.
No, madam, I need now.
I don't have now.
You said tomorrow, tomorrow. Why always tomorrow? It's already late.
I don't have now. What you want me to do?
Oh my God. Maybe you want to steal my money.
Karina, I'm your boss. I can't steal your money.
Because you don't give me already late. It's very late.
It's just one day.
Oh my God.
I will give you tomorrow. Why are you so aggressive?